Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Outlook calendar private. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your calendar settings where you can control your privacy options. Once your email has loaded, you'll need to navigate to your calendar. Look at the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see 4 different icons in the navigation menu. Click on the calendar icon to access your calendar view. This is where all your appointments, meetings, and events are displayed. Now, with your calendar menu open, you can begin the process of making it private. Start by clicking on the specific calendar you want to set as private from the list on the bottom left part of your screen. You might have multiple calendars listed here, so make sure you select the right one that you want to adjust the privacy settings for. After selecting your calendar, locate the calendar permission button on the top side menu and click on it. This button controls who can see your calendar and what information they can access. Clicking this will open a calendar properties window with various sharing and privacy options. In this calendar properties window, look for the Read section. Here you'll see all the available options for sharing your calendar information with others. You'll notice several choices including free/busy time, free/busy time, and location and full details. These options determine how much information others can see when they try to view your calendar. To make your calendar completely private, select the None Radio button. This is the most secure option and ensures that nothing from your calendar will be shared with anyone else. When you choose this setting, others won't be able to see your appointments, availability, or any other calendar information. Once you've selected the None option, click on Apply to save your changes. Your selected calendar will now be set to private and your schedule will remain completely confidential. And that's it. You've successfully made your Outlook calendar private, ensuring that your appointments and schedule remain visible only to you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.